We are going to pack today 6 wine glasses. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 6 wine glasses. And I'm going to show you how in this step-by-step tutorial. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. I'm Vicki, and I have lots of pack and ship videos on our channel, and I have them organized in a playlist, so be sure to check that out. But today we have 6 wine glasses to pack. Better than 8, I guess, because 8 would be a little more difficult. I'm hoping they fit into the box that I have picked out, because that can be the challenging part sometimes. But either way, we're going to get them packed, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. And I know someone's going to notice, so I might as well tell you. I videoed this a week or so ago, so yes, I'm in a different outfit. I know someone will say something. Let's find the glasses. They are beautiful, they are crystal, and they are heavy. And I have 6 of them to pack. Normally I would pull all 6 and put them on my table, but not today. Not tonight, I should say. It's pretty late. I normally don't pack in the evening, and I'm a little bit tired, but let's see here. Goodwill, paid $1.66 for 2, paid $4.99 for all the glasses, and sold them for $119.85. However, there was a discount of $18, so the sale, shipping, and tax out the door, $123.27. I'm going to focus on 2 at a time. I know that you probably think that I have everything always planned out, but I don't. Like selling these 6 glasses. This is the largest box that I have, 16 by 12 by 8. And I'm going to assemble it. But let me say this. I would like to double box the glasses and put them in here if I can. Not sure that will work out, but that's what I would prefer to do. I'll get it assembled. Let's start with foam wrap. I do have the stem to be concerned about. I'm going to measure it, and it's just under 3 inches, like 2 3/4 would be good. And I have a pool noodle that I'm going to cut into 2 3/4 inch pieces. So let me get that done. 2 3/4. I'll just mark one and then cut the others to be the same. And I moved the glasses off the table to make sure that my table didn't move and the glasses didn't fall. One more to go. Okay, I've got all 6 pieces. Now I just need to cut a slit carefully. I just need a little wedge cut out. I don't want to make it difficult for the buyer to get this undone. It's not going all the way through. A little wedge. I'll repeat that for the rest of them. It does make a little bit of a mess, but you know, it cleans up with a net roller. Wedge. One more to go. All 6, oh, did I miss it? Yeah, all 6 have wedges cut in them, just little ones because I don't want it too big. Let me get this cleaned up. So let's see how well I did. And I'm still going to protect this, but I just want to check the fit. Actually, that's pretty good. But still, I'm going to put, oh, and I don't know if you can see, but it says Gorm on the bottom, but I don't know if you can see that. Let's put a little bit of foam wrap around here. Just using a strip of foam wrap, cutting it in half again. I just want something around here before I put the pool noodle. And I'm just going to tape it with some regular tape. Now I'll fit this around. So you see it's protected, and then it has the pool noodle. Repeat the process for the other one. And the reason I'm just using regular tape is I want it to be very easy for them to remove because they may not even see it. So I'm just putting it on there to keep that from rolling around. And I could tape this. Maybe I will. I'm going to put a little piece of tape right here to keep that pool noodle from opening up, and do it here too. They're probably going to think, wow, this person's crazy. how they pack, but hopefully they're happy with it. Again, I'm going to finish these 2 before I move on. I want to know exactly how I'm packing it before I get any others on my table. Let's take another sheet of foam wrap. And you know what? I need to lint roller the table here. And Nona's daughter, Annette, you asked me about these pet size, these large lint rollers. If I can find it, I'll put a link in the description below the video. Table's nice and clean. Let's give this a little wrap here. The foam wrap doesn't protect from breakage. It just protects the finish. It makes a really nice presentation for the buyer. And I use masking tape because it's a lot less expensive than packing tape. You can see I've got this hollow area to fill. Let's see if 1 sheet of small bubble wrap will do the trick. Actually, that's pretty good. So let's finish this one out. Will 1 square of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap work? Will it reach? No, it will not. So what I do is take a 1/2 sheet of large bubble wrap, and I like to put it this way and then fold up and tape to it. My biggest concern with packing this is, can I fit 6 of these in the box that I'm using? That's my concern. So I don't want to get too big and bulky, but at the same time, I need protection, and I just don't think small bubble wrap is going to cut it. So I'm going to proceed with this and hope that I can make it all work. Now I'll go back to my masking tape, and I'm tucking this and pulling it at pop a bubble. Pulling it as snug as I can, popping a bubble. Sometimes I do that. Okay, that feels pretty good. Let's do the other one. Foam wrap. Tape. Tuck it inside. Add some small bubble wrap starting at the corner of it. It just makes it. I have to get it pushed down in there. 1 full sheet, 1 square of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap, topped with a 1/2 sheet. Pull this up and pop a bubble, because I don't want it any bulkier than it has to be. At least it's only 6, not 8 that I have to fit in there. 8 is even harder. All right, let's do a test fit in the box. Obviously, I have to put other packing material in here, but I just want to see what my options are. If I lay these down, I can get 3 across, but can I stack them? I can. I don't like them that close to the top though, and I have nothing in the bottom yet. Will I be standing them up? But you can see that's not working. So I really need, maybe I do 2 this way, and it's going to be challenging, but I'm going to get it done. Don't you worry. Maybe I should worry. To make sure my glasses do not roll off the table, I use a box lid to put them in and set them aside. I'm going to go get 2 more. I'm going to protect the stem again. And just like I talked last week about bubble wrap and all the variations and quality and things like that, same thing is with foam wrap. The first foam wrap that I ever bought, I bought it from Lowe's. And although I liked the idea of it, I really didn't like how thin it was. So then I tried some on Amazon, and I didn't like that either. And then I tried again, and I finally got this foam wrap that I like, and that's the link that you'll find. Put this on here. So it took me 3 tries to get what I really like. I might have cut this too wide. I did. As I said, foam wrap just helps protect the finish. It is not going to protect from breakage. I guess if you wrap enough of it, it might. I really like how the pool noodles are working out this time. Nice fit. Always press down your tape. Okay, so we have 2 here to work with. First thing, I'm going to fast forward now, so just keep watching here and we'll speed it up. This gets a little bulky, just fold it in, tuck it in, and tape it. Four down, the last 2, and I have been dusting these. You know, they've been on my shelf for a little while. All right, all 6 of them are packed. Now I need to see how they're going to fit into the box. I know there's no room for air pillows, but I can at least put some bubble wrap, I hope. So I'm going to alternate foot to top. And I'm going to turn these with the tape side together. So this one, I need to alternate this way. It's getting tight, it's getting snug. And this way. Is it going to work? No, it's not. Can I lay them down? Yes, I can lay them down. And you can see there's a lot of room around them. I'm going to try 4 air pillows here, and 4 here, and 4 here, and 4 here. Like so. Are these going to fit? Are they going to fit? I am now thinking maybe I should have turned these all the same direction if I can, so that I can turn the second layer the opposite direction. This is getting really tight. This is when I get a little nervous. I get nervous because I want more packing material in here. And before I forget, I'm going to put some thank you labels on here. About 3 lots. I'll just give them 3 thank you labels. We will insure this, by the way. I'm going to put some air pillows. Put some here and here if I can. They want to pop out right now, but let's see. I'll tuck this in and tuck this in. Now mind you, the bubble wrap on the bottom will give some. So I am counting on that, pressing down. Same thing with the top bubble wrap, it will give a little bit. It may have a little bubble in it, but I think we're good. I've cross-taped, I've taped the ends, I've taped every single corner. I put large fragile labels all over it. I don't know about you, but I think it's good to go. And it's about 6:30 p.m. at night. If you like pack and ship videos, check out my playlist on our channel, Avante Avenue. And thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.